Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. In this video, I'm going to show you how Cash 300 generated $3,000 plus on full margin trading on $50 equity VIP. Okay, this is something that a lot of people actually miss, but I'm going to show you what is really happening in the scene. Okay, you see that this is Cash 300 and in the daily time frame, you see this is what you call the algorithmic trading. So in the daily time frame, you can get this horizontal line and mark this last point. This is the last point of support. Okay, the Cash 300 basically is distributing, is passing through the Wyckoff distribution phase, accumulation phase, I'm sorry, after a heavy downtrend. Okay, so a lot of deception will exist. A lot of people will be lured into further selling near these lines. But look at this pin bar. Immediately price created this pin bar. Price did not care about to come and test the low of the pin bar. And what happened? It actually generated over in a couple of weeks. It actually generated over 2,711 pips. Okay, so with the same idea of Wyckoff accumulation phase, there's no way price will just reach this level and break it. So this will be the maximum reaction, or kind of, this is a automatic rally. Okay, this is a set climax, and this is automatic rally that sent price to the upside, and this is secondary test. So we expect secondary test too. Okay, so this market is on the accumulation, and that is why I release this signal in the VIP. So you see that you enter here after this after the after the spring. So that is a spring that misleads people to sell about 60 pips, and immediately the market start pushing high, and this is over 1,000 pip. So on a $50 account, immediately you notice this liquidity sweep here. You are going to open 3 lot size, 1 lot size by 3. By the time the market actually reach here and drop and create a strong resistance here, support, you can add more position. So this is how we're able to get this in the VIP. So if you have been losing a lot of money trading boom and crash market, this is time you should leverage to succeed. Join our VIP and you'll be served with authentic signals and you stop losing. Okay, you need to change your trading narratives. It's not easy to get this kind of signal, but it involves advanced knowledge, and that's what I have done. Okay, you can see we have actually closed the trade because of this area. You see, one attribute of a good trader is don't let your profit go back to loss. So we have taken profit within this zone, but we're gonna enter again. If price shows strength and break this level and give us a retest, we could be taking the $3,000 to since we're able to take $50,000 to $5,000 to $3,000 plus. So if you check the multiplier, there is a kind of 60. So we could take $3,000 to $180,000 plus, because if you multiply that by 60, you know what it is. So if price actually break and retest, we expect market to push to this level, And on a retest, we can generate over, this will be, you see, you need to fight against certain things for you to succeed. We can generate over 1,000 people. You need to fight against certain things for you to succeed. And one of those things is that idea or mentality that you don't want to spend money to get VIP signal. You don't want to spend money to buy courses. You don't want to spend money to get value from expert. That is not a good mindset, okay? You see, look at the same thing actually happened here. Profit takers, understand what I'm saying? They took their profit around this level because of the strong resistance. Immediately they took off that profit. What happened? There is a reaction here. So what do you do? What do? You enter again. Maybe you have taken your $50 to $3,000 plus. This time you are taking it to 180,000. What happened? And it did happen because all you need is to generate full margin risk reward of 1:60, just as you generated it on $50 account. That means you basically will be risking something to get times 60. So if we risk along this, if we risk, say we risk 60 pips, so 60 by 60 is 3,600. You see, as a margin trader, you are basically risking zero to gain infinity. So maybe you are risking 5 pips, and then multiply by 60, that is 300. Well, this is 1,000 pips. So if you divide it by 60, you will get around 20 pips. Basically, you are risking 20 pips here. Full margin. There is no stop loss. This is non-stop loss trading. Okay. So this, I just did do this video to motivate you not to give up. With the $50, you can join my weekly package on boom and crash markets. And with with $150, you can join monthly. The signal we send is authentic. Is a lot of things that you don't know what we are doing here. Okay, there are types of signals. So this is one of it, Elliott wave trading. Okay, so thank you and bye for now.